We're going to do a brief video on AMC Stock Prediction, and we've got a chart here for you of AMC Entertainment Holdings with a 5-day moving average in green, a 20-day moving average in red, and a 200-day moving average in blue. This is AMC Entertainment Holdings. This is not the preferred dividend stock. This is just their common stock. And as you can see, it's in a bear market. It's been in a bear market all the way back since December of 2021. Rallied up, tried to get out of it in March of 22, and again tried to get out of it and did briefly get out of the bear market in August of 22. But we're back down in bear market territory, and looks like we may have put in a bottom in AMC here on October 13th at $5.47. Been getting some slight little encouragement here, and we're now above the 5-day and above the 20-day. Just yesterday closed above the 20-day moving average, headed towards the 200-day moving average. This stock is essentially going sideways. If you take a look at it from all the way back from May, beginning of the summer, this stock is below those levels. If you look at the average price it's been trading at, it was average. We're just going to make it up and say $7.50. It's still below that. So today's range on this stock, $6.50 low to $6.95. So still below its average that it was trading through the first month or so of the summer. So my prognosis for this stock is that there's several things. It's currently in a bear market, but it appears to be catching a little bit of positive feel from it, although it made a new bottom right here on October 13th. That broke the previous bottoms made back in here in early May. So the stock has some potential to rally. I wouldn't say it's great. It's closing above the 20-day, which is the first time it's done that since all the way towards the third week of September. So in a month, it's the first time it's closed above the 20-day moving average. So what needs to happen here is the stock needs to drop down a little bit, probably down to $6.25, somewhere around in there, and catch some support. If it catches some support and can get back up above the moving averages again, then this stock's probably going to be a $7.50 stock. It's trading right this second at $6.96, so that's not any big deal. But I wouldn't be more aggressive on it right this moment and consider that it might take out this high of $8.13 made back here on the 4th of October. I wouldn't get aggressive with it until I see some better price movement. This is very lackadaisical price movement. I don't see a whole lot of enthusiasm here. I don't see a whole lot of volume. Volume today is almost 6.5 million shares on an average daily volume of 38 million shares. So I suspect this stock needs to drop back down a little bit, again around 6.25, maybe even 6, and then see if somebody steps up and buys it hard to drive it up towards this $8.13 level, try to push it through that. I suspect that that's probably not going to happen until at least the first week in November, or maybe even the second. That's if it happens at all. That's what we need to see to get this stock out of a bear market. We need to see it drop down a hair, and then some aggressive buying, pushing it up, making a new high past this $8.13 level. Let's see what RBAM Research says about it. We put out algorithmically generated prices for 1, 5, and 20-day hold periods every day. And for AMC, we show zeros today, which means that they didn't think it was a good day to buy this stock. The stock's currently up 3%, so that wasn't a great call, but it is what it is. It's all computer generated. It's helpful for entertainment purposes only. But we do have access to 190 of stocks every morning by 7 a.m. If you head to rbamresearch.com, there's a link in the description below. No credit card required. Free access. You get access to all of our stocks. 190, the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts. We have algorithmically generated entry prices for all of those securities put out before 7 a.m. every Monday through Friday. Again, follow the link to rbamresearch.com, put in your email address, and get free immediate access. Keep in mind, everything you've seen and heard on here, including my commentary and entry prices, are for entertainment purposes only. You can't use it for anything other than entertainment. You should always do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. And if you have a good comment for us, we'd love to hear it in the comment section below.